Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my new Mi Band 4. So as you can see, this is what it came in. This is gonna be the first part of the video where I cut the black bag, but the whole unboxing will be another formal one which I'll do tomorrow because it's late at night. I have exams tomorrow, my family's outside, so peace out. So knife, we've always got to have a beautiful rusted knife and slice it. Oh, that felt so satisfying. Okay, I can see the things. Ooh. Okay, so here it is, the Mi Band 4. I got so many straps. Sorry, my sister's just there. And so we got our knife again. Shush. Made a small incision on the back so we can pull it open. Okay, the red is super vibrant. Can you like get the get the cap off? So as you can see, oh gosh, melt. So as you can see, I got a few bands here, and the Mi Band's actually at the back of the box. So okay, let me just like boop boop boop. So as you can see, so this is what the packaging looks like. As you can see, I have 3 extra bands that I got. White, red, black. I mean dark blue. That's actually dark blue. And the watch and screen protector, I got it as a bundle for quite reasonable of a price. It's the Chinese version, guys. So on with the unboxing, I actually another knife, same knife actually, just another time. We just need to cut it, never cut towards itself. So as you can see, we've got our screen protector. Ooh, fancy. Well, I never get a screen protector for my Mi Band 2. We've got our Mi Band. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Mi Band 4. As you can see, I can't get the whole thing. Then I've got like these straps. Red. This is actually dark blue. I don't think you can really see it on the camera, but it's dark blue. And we've got white. So I'll continue the unboxing tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone, it's me Gabriel and I'm back with another video. I'm really sorry for not posting in a long time because I have been really busy and yeah. And we just hit 10k views on my Lenovo video, so thank you guys so much. When I first got news, I was so happy, so thank you guys and 100 subscribers. So today's video is pretty special because I have this in my hand. And if you don't know what this is a Mi Band 4. So I'm going to be unboxing it today. But spoiler alert, I've actually been using this for a whole day now. So at least I can give you a one-day impression of my new band. So I did order it in a set. Don't mind my laptop, it's charging. But I have 3 bands that came with the set. Actually this was the add-on, but these 2 came with the set, as well as 2 screen protectors, which one is already pre-installed on my watch that I did it myself. That's why it looks terrible, but I don't know how I got into frame with my Lenovo video, but okay, so basically you just like lift this. There's a little pull tab. You pull on it, and this is what it reveals. So you get that. Okay. So actually in here you get the charger, which I'll bring up here. So the charger is USB-A to. One thing about that is that you have to take out the band out of your strap, then you charge it, which I'll show in a video later. It can be really hard. Then you've got the band in here. So as you can see, it's blinking because I already have it set up. Nothing else in the box except for some instructions, which literally nobody reads except for if you don't know what you just bought. So like I said, I got a screen protector as well. 3 bands. The one that comes with the watch standard is black. It's a black silicone band. You can get leather and metal ones too. But I just got 3 other silicone ones. White, navy blue, and red. As you can see here. So this is it. This is the Mi Band 4. I'm just gonna bring a closer view. So as you guys can see, this is it. So it looks really nice, and it feels bigger than the Mi Band 3. As you can see, the silicone strap. I've a lot of scratches because the thing that's on it, it's actually a screen protector. I don't think the actual watch will scratch this easily, but it was still scratched. It's still a Mi Band, so I got a screen protector. So where you charge it. In terms of functionality, it's pretty good because if you guys have watched my previous Mi Band video, you guys would know that I have the Mi Band 2. I have the Mi Band 2. I've been using that one until I got the one that I'm using now. So as you can see over here, this is the watch face that it comes with. And then the screen 0.95 inches, and it's a color display, so it's pretty nice. And it looks like the whole thing is actually just one screen because of the black. It's just flush, but it's not. The screen's actually just here, as you can see. The button is not moving or anything, it's the same, it has always been. Except you can see underneath the glass there's like one small circle there. You press to turn it on, but then to complete functions like Alipay, you actually swipe right from the home screen, swipe left to control your music, then swiping up will take you to your functions. As you can see, heart rate. Then tapping on those functions will give you more selections, and this acts as a back button, the button here. This one says getting workout. I actually took this to go swimming just now. You see, there's about 6 exercises, pretty accurate tracking. If I press back, it gets me to the home screen. I used this in school and it has been tracking my steps quite accurately compared to the Mi Band 2. And also, we cannot forget the functionalities. So let me just take you through a few of these functions. Home screen, you have a lot of choices for your band face. So this is the one that I have because the rings, it shows you your rings and how more you have to complete it. And then you tap to wait, you swipe up. I have weather next. You can actually click it and it will show you your weather and the weather forecast for tomorrow. Then there's notifications, but I have no notifications. Oh, I almost dropped it. Looking at this watch under broad daylight when I was doing my daily walk, there was no problem with me. I find myself to be using the 4th setting in the band brightness option. This is the 4th setting because this is a perfect balance. You can see indoors it's not too bright, you can see outdoors it's not too dim. So yeah, I would recommend it. You can see under the bright light. After notifications, I have status. This one, it basically notifies you on your step count, your distance, calories burnt, and idle alerts, which will actually be like, basically idle alerts is when you sit too long, your watch will alert you that you have been sitting for too long. So like I said, steps, distance, calories, and idle alerts in status. Heart rate basically measures your heart rate. Workout, outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, as well as pool swimming. So we have 6 exercises in total. After workout, we have more, which will be your do not disturb mode. You can turn it on or off. We have alarm. I have some set. It will just vibrate, no sound. Music, but my phone is disconnected. Stopwatch. We have timer. Find device. It only works if your device is connected. And then we have silent mode, Alipay, band display, which basically are your displays for the band, and settings, which gives you brightness of your band, lock screen, reboot, factory reset, and regulatory information, as well as about what your band is about. So I've been using this the whole day. Like I said, swim tracking is really accurate, like I can show you here. So this is the app that I have been using. You have to download this app to use it with the watch. So it uses Bluetooth to sync to your phone. So if I hit that, it can show you your steps today. So your step count, like how you've walked and everything. Really useful. Then it shows you what activity you did. So like I said, I went swimming with this. So it actually shows you what's your distance that you swam, and literally so much information. And if you go to one of these, it will actually give you all of the information that you would want, like your stroke time, pace, time used every 100 meters, stroke rate, burnt calories, and your swallows. I don't know what solve is, but I'll take it. So as you can see, I did a lot because I was actually testing out the band to see whether the workouts actually worked. And it shows you how much calories that you've burned today. And you can set your like heart rate, like how often you want it to like count your heart rate. And this is, so we have more. If you go into profile, you can see your profile, and then you can click on your Mi Band 4 to customize your band settings. So as you can see, we've got 90% battery percentage, band display settings. This is really fun. So you literally have a lot of all these beautiful displays that are somewhat functional and cute at the same time. I don't know how Xiaomi did that, but it works. There's actually more. You can download it with another app. But look at all of these displays, man. Anime, you all anime fans out there, you're gonna want this screen. So that basically gives you the function to unlock your phone with the watch, which I feel is really unsafe. I don't have that on. Incoming calls, so it will vibrate when you have calls if your phone is connected. Event reminder, alarm, app alerts, idle alert, like I said, self-explanatory. Then we can actually find band with your phone. So it will just vibrate your band. You can choose your band location. Lift wrist to view info is basically this. Just let me demonstrate. It will actually turn on by itself. So if this lift wrist to view info, basically you can just like you can see off, but then when you lift it, it turns on by itself. And then heart rate detection, you can choose the detection frequency. I set it every 30 minutes because I don't want my battery to be drained. But I find that really useful. They also have night mode. Basically, it will like dim your brightness, and then you have everything else here. So basically, step tracking is really accurate. I have tested this out. Really accurate and easy to use. And then we also have swim tracking, really accurate. So workout trackings are actually really accurate, and that is surprising with a band of this price point. That is surprising, and I love what Xiaomi has been doing. And yeah, so as you can see right here, I have my Mi Band 2 and the Mi Band 4, 2 years apart. You can see one big scratch there, all the micro scratches. How you interact with the band has completely changed. So as you can see here, you basically tap this to access every single function on your watch. This, however, like I said, you press this to on, but then you swipe. Because if you keep pressing this at that screen, it's not going to do anything. Secondly, this Mi Band 2 right here has basically less functions, and when I mean less, it can only do, as you can see here, step tracking. It can sense your heart rate, tell you the time. It can do 2 more features like your calories burnt and distance walked. That's all the Mi Band 2 could do. As well as the Mi Band 3. When the Mi Band 4 came out, everything changed. It could do workout tracking. That just sold the band for me. Especially swimming, because I love swimming and that's one of my only workouts. Go swim, it basically lets you choose your pool size. 25 or 50 is pre-selected, but you could actually change it with this. So yeah. I've seen so many people just push it, but I've actually learned a way where you actually pull the bottom like this and slide it down the bottom of the band and it comes out. So again, I would recommend anyone to buy this one right here because it is so useful for the price point, and with something like this that benefits your health, I'm pretty sure you can't say no because it looks good, it serves well, and it's averagely priced. So like I said, I got a few bands as well. I got my white band, blue band, red band. I'm just gonna try them all just to make sure that they look good. So this is how the white band looks. As you can see, it looks amazing. I like the contrast between the band and the screen. Whoa, look at that. This is the band that I actually wore to school today. is the red one. I love red and black. Actually, I got also navy blue. I like this, but I prefer the red and white, but this also would be great. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.